Okay, hello everybody. This week, week 2 of PS154, we are going to focus on an exercise for collaboration and engagement. So this week, students will collaborate and engage with peers and also myself in creating a video. Students will use Zoom and PowerPoint to create the video. The theme of the video will be Two Truths and a Lie, and I'm going to give you an example of one that I've created myself. So the objectives of the exercise are to make contact with fellow classmates. I will form the groups for you, so you don't need to, so early in the semester, seek out people to be in a group with. I will do that for you in the first instance. Later on in the semester, you will be forming a group by your own efforts if you can. So the second objective would be to engage in a collaborative project with those people. You will then have to publish the video using PowerPoint or having used PowerPoint and Zoom to create it. You will then make an entry in a shared Google document. So I'll ask you at the end of when you've created the video to make some entries in the Google document. Basically, I'll be asking you to enter the name of the group, to make some comments about what worked, and make other comments about what didn't work, and in order to share your experience about how you would do it differently if you were to do it again. So you share your own experience with everybody in the class, and everybody in the class shares their experience with you. You will learn to also engage with me to achieve these things. This is an online course, so we have to engage with each other successfully over the course of the semester to achieve the things that we need to achieve over the next 10 or 12 weeks. And by virtue of doing this, we will uncover any obstacles that there might be to collaboration and engagement, and also using the tools that we're using. The learning outcomes are to learn to engage constructively with others in a common endeavor, to create and publish a video using Zoom and Microsoft PowerPoint, and to collaborate on creating entries on a shared Google document. So you will need to follow the instructions in the document on loop to complete the exercise successfully. There will be important details there for you to follow. And I'm going to follow or include a little Two Truths and a Lie example video created using Zoom and Microsoft PowerPoint. As I said before, I will form the groups for you, so you don't have to worry about finding people in your class. I will do that for you in this instance. The objective of the video that I'm going to create and publish for you is Two Truths and a Lie. So first comment that I will make is that I teach PS154 as well as looking after IT in the School of Physical Sciences. Second thing is that I play golf and tennis in my spare time. Thirdly, I can recite the alphabet backwards in the same time as it takes me to recite it in the normal way. Okay, so you can decide which of those are true and which aren't. So I'll be asking you to get together in groups. The number will be 3 or 4 people, depending on how it breaks that down across the class. And each of you will need to create a little PowerPoint video with your image on screen in the same way that my image is on screen now. And each of you will make a Two Truths and a Lie statement, or a number of statements containing two truths and a lie. And so it's a task that's probably difficult. If you have 3 or 4 people in your group, you're going to have to work together to put all that stuff together, compile it, save it as a video, and then upload that video. And also make some sort of an agreement between you what the name of the group is, and make some sort of an assessment for yourselves as to what went well, what didn't go so well, and what you would do differently if you were to do it again. So there's a degree of collaboration engagement involved in carrying out this task. So there's quite a bit of work. There are some technical issues that you need to get your head around using Zoom, using PowerPoint, creating PowerPoint slides, uploading and downloading, or downloading and uploading the Zoom video. So there are quite a few things that need that can pose problems in doing what you need to do. So I'm here to help you find out what the problems are and solve any problems that you have. Later on in the semester, you will do a PowerPoint presentation as a project. So this exercise helps prepare you for that. Just to finish off, good luck in creating your Two Truths and a Lie collaborative video using Microsoft PowerPoint and Zoom. Hope you enjoy it, and I'm here to help you with anything that with any problems that you have. It's important to identify problems, because when we do identify problems, it means that we can do it better the next time. So that's part of the process. Figure out what went well, what didn't go so well, and how you would do it differently if you were to do it again. So, okay, good luck and enjoy creating your video.